if you're trying to get your injury fixed and you go to a practitioner and they don't use these are hands, and put them on you to deliver treatment, you're never going to be fixed. What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Matt Maggio, and I am the creator of the Peak Method and the founder of the Soft Tissue Revolution, and I'm on a hell of a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete. Today, I want to address something. The idea of all these people online that are saying they can fix your injury with exercise, talking you through it, supplements, all these things. They aren't using their hands. Or if you go to like a physical therapist and they don't actually put their hands on you. The hands are the way to actually fix problems. I talk about this all the time, and all my practitioners that are trained in the Peak Method, they specialize in finding and fixing scar tissue and breaking it down with their hands. The hands are the key tool for that. And if you're going to these practitioners and they're never actually using their hands or touching you to actually get in there and fix the tissue, you're never going to be fixed. And even worse, COVID has created this whole level of absurdity, and I call it jackassery. Like that word? Jackassery. Of all these online people that are going to fix your pain through the internet. Yeah, they're just going to give you some videos, they're going to program some exercises, and you're going to be good to go. They're going to show you some stretches, show you where to jam a lacrosse ball, and even you got this thing called the Theragun where you can go in and provide your own treatment, and they'll even got videos and tutorials and all that stuff to fix your injury. But they're missing the key component. Hands. Hands are the key. They are what actually will fix the problem. All those other things, no. You might temporarily feel better, but is it really fixing a problem? I always say treatment has to have 3 components to it. 1, it has to be safe. 2, it has to be effective. And lastly, it has to be durable. So are those treatments safe? They're not going to hurt you. Are they effective? Maybe in the short term for pain relief. Are they durable? No, they don't last. And you're continuing to do that over and over again. And all they're doing is taking advantage of what's going on with COVID, and they're not thinking critically to help you solve your problem. You still need hands-on treatment. You need effective, functional-based treatment. And my practitioners have that, and they're the best at what they do. So if you're dealing with an injury, you've wasted time on all these online programs and gurus and mobility, whatever, and you're not any better, you need to get in contact with one of our practitioners. Click the link below and get in contact with someone that can actually solve and fix your problem so you can get out of pain, you can function better, you can live life the way you're supposed to live, and be a better version of yourself. That's all I got for today. If you need help, reach out, click the link. Always here to help. And if you're going to a therapist or a practitioner that isn't using their hands, don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Get away from those people. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.